Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Lalita Sabda Namavali has been told by our Jagadguru Mahaperiyava Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal, Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham. By reciting this Namavali, you get the benefits of chanting the full Lalita Sahasranama Stotram. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Om Shri Matre Namaha Om Shri Annadaye Namaha Om Shri Vasudhaye Namaha Om Shri Sachamara Ramavani Savyadakshana Sevitaye Namaha Om Shri Kataksha Kingiri Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevitaye Namaha Om Shivasakti Aikyarubinye Namaha Om Shri Lalitambikaye Namaha. These 7 Namavalis, if we chant daily, our prayers and desires will be fulfilled. Thank you.